Ruby, heel. Good. Let's try that again. Good girl. Ruby, heel. Good. Pressure on, pressure off. Good. Okay, let's try that again. So what I'm working on right now is when I say heel and tap the tone, I want her to fall into heel behind me and not shoot out ahead. Ruby, heel. Good. Good girl. Because her owner said she was starting to push heel. Okay, so let's see. I'm at a 10. And I'm going to do some setups here if I feel like she's pretty pushy. Pretty good. Heel. Good. Every time I say heel, I tap the tone, and then I use my stem if she goes out ahead. Good. Pressure on, pressure off. See, that's how we keep her behind. Good girl. Pressure on, pressure off. Good. So she won't let herself slip out of that little pocket. Good girl. Stay. Down. Beautiful. Good girl. Down. Good. Come. Good girl. Sit. Nice work. Heel. Wow. Good girl. So I think the moral is they never forget, but they do get lazy if you're not being really picky about what you're asking for. So I basically told her I want you here and not here. Good. Beautiful job. Heel. Girl. Wonderful job. Stay. No. Stay. Break. Good girl. Good girl. Stay. Nice work. Break. Place. Good girl. Oh, what a cutie. How cute. No. Good. Oh, how cute is she? Can I pet her? Hey, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Good girl.